science fans!
Hi science fans, we're back and we have got a brand new box! Yay! This time we have got the Magnetic Lab by...
Yow.
So we're going to get on and unbox it. Are you going to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want me to open it?
Sure.
Okay. So there you go.
Oh, it's in a nice thing. So, first we have...
Put it in so the camera can see.
Okay. So, we have a baggie of stuff. Should I open it?
Yes, please. Oh, hang on.
Don't worry. Just trust me.
Yeah, I know what happens when we do that.
So, we have
a
something.
Alien sticker. Okay, interesting.
We have a guy sticker.
A guy sticker.
We have the 1 of 100 lab notepads.
Well,
that
you never know when you need a lab notepad.
We have a instruction book.
Okay, I'll hold that.
We have a bunch of push-outs.
Okay.
We have a big sheet.
Oh, that looks cool.
For something. I think it might be for that car.
Okay.
Okay, and we also have all the stickers.
Okay, so pop those there then.
Always comes with stickers.
What else have we got?
Okay, so we have whatever this strange thing is.
Okay, so let's put that out then.
We have this strange thing. Don't know what it does. We have these two quite strong magnets.
Nice.
Oh, I feel weird when you turn it.
Pop those there then.
Okay. We have a vroom car.
That could maybe go on the track.
On the start line. It's not a very long track. We have ball.
Okay.
Does it? No, it doesn't even do anything.
Okay.
Ball. Then we have some quite heavy magnet. Don't know what's inside there. We have a fly swatter, aka another magnet, I think. And then we have they're definitely all magnets. Oh, they even connect when they're in the wrapper. Get off! This is going to be an annoying box, I know. Then we have these magnets. Is it that game when he stacks them?
Well, I don't know. So let me tell you what it says you should have, right?
Connected again.
So it says we should have a magnetic wand. That's this.
Okay, the fly
Abracadabra.
swatter.
You should have 4 ring magnets. That's these.
Nice.
2 rattle magnets, which is those.
Are they actually They're not rattly! Are you sure these are the rattle magnets?
Yeah, that's what they are. That's what they're called.
Or are the... Oh, okay.
Pop those back down then. You should have a marble.
Okay.
A levitation stand.
Whee!
Yeah. A car. Vinyl face stickers.
Nice.
Iron filings capsule.
Okay.
Bar magnet.
Uh-huh.
Racetrack poster. A lab notebook and a sticker sheet. So we've got everything.
Oh, marble maze board.
Oh yeah, marble maze board. Yeah.
Board.
And it says what we'll need to find is a ruler, some sticky tape and a photo of yourself.
Do we have one?
We've got plenty.
Good.
So that's okay. So there we go. So that is what's inside the Magnetic Lab.
Nice.
So come back next time, and we'll start the experiments.
Yeah.
So bye for now, science fans.
Let me shake this. Shake.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.